In this module, we'll review how to train and evaluate models. You've already done this once by copying our approach. Now we'll investigate how to do it in more detail, so that you understand how to make the correct decisions. We'll guide you through the key concepts and techniques crucial for making your neural network effective. We'll start by reviewing the different datasets involved in training a model, for training, for validation, and for testing. Understanding how to use these datasets properly is fundamental to ensuring that your model learns well and can generalize to new data. You'll learn how to split your data and why each set plays a crucial role in the development process. Then we'll explore in more detail the concepts of overfitting and underfitting, two common issues that can hinder your model's performance. You'll learn not just how to recognize these problems, but also how to implement strategies to mitigate against them, ensuring that your model is both accurate and reliable. These aspects expand our knowledge of concepts we've already touched on. We'll also dive into two of the tools that drive the training process, optimizers and loss functions. You'll discover how different optimizers and loss functions can impact the speed and effectiveness of the training, helping you to make informed decisions when setting up your models. Finally, we'll address the broader implications of training models: power consumption, performance, and sustainability. These considerations are increasingly important in today's AI landscape, and understanding them will prepare you to build models that are not only more effective, but also more ethical and sustainable. By the end of this module, you'll have a good understanding of how to train and evaluate neural networks effectively. You'll be equipped with the skills to optimize your models, avoid common pitfalls, and consider the broader impact of your work.